Afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? So real quick, it is Sunday, and that means I need to look in the virtual mirror and once again kind of share with you what is going on in my business with the One Rental at a Time brand and really kind of my takeaways. First and foremost, last week was a rough week if you saw it for book reviews. And as you will see in a minute, you guys came through. Means a lot to me that you would take a few minutes of your time to go write a review, either on Amazon or on Audible. That was really nice of you. So thank you very much. And if you've yet to do that and you enjoyed the book, do me a favor. That's one of the measures, as you will see, we track every week. Second, kind of the course is interesting. I certainly need to talk about it more. My students are loving it. We talk every Saturday. I've kept the price low on purpose, although as I watch other YouTube channels, as I kind of try to expand my horizons, it's pretty clear that if it was in me, I could raise the prices and do a lot more things, but that is not where we are going. I believe one rental at a time is not a get rich quick. One rental at a time, the course makes you do the work. I don't promise you anything. When you get the One Rental at a Time course for $199, you're going to get the work that I did. You're going to look at your market. You're going to learn an asset type. You're going to compare deals. You're going to grow your network. I don't promise anything easy. I don't sell a dream of rainbows and unicorns. But if you will do the work, your future will be brighter. If you do the work long enough, financial freedom is in your grasp. But it's up to you. I can't make you do the work. If you're not going to do the work, don't buy the course. Watch these free YouTube videos, call it a day. But if you want it, the course is the cheapest thing out there. It's the best thing out there. It's exactly what I did to learn a market that I never lived in. I didn't have anybody in my family did real estate. If you've read our story, you know we came from very humble beginnings. But I did the work. I looked. I evaluated, I compared. And today's the day. If you want to make a change in your financial future, you want it to be a little bit better every year going forward, learn your market. Today's market has no inventory. So you're not going to overpay, but you can learn it. You can watch it evolve. Wait for all the forbearance and all those other issues to come to bear. So I truly believe, and I've said it many times, for $199, it's the best thing I've created. I've gone an extra mile and created a private Facebook group where students are helping students now. Pretty awesome. And thus far, I'm talking with all my students, or at least making it available to you to talk every Saturday in intimate discussions where we just talk about your questions. Where else can you get access to someone like me for so little bit on every Saturday? It's pretty crazy. So in the end, let me bring up my week. I would say on par. It was an okay week. It was an okay week, but let's bring it up. Let's share and bring it up. Share. There's the share button. All right, so we're already in week 12. Next week's the wrap-up week. So let me move this little picture. So again, for me, it all starts with health, right? I think it starts with health with all of us, in fairness, but as someone who got out of the rat race with a rental portfolio after 15 years, I want to make sure I stay as healthy as long as I can. So that's going good. I'm actually enjoying myself. Fasting has gone the way of the dodo bird, this freaking stay-at-home order. I was really good the first couple of weeks, but what's it been, like 100 days or some nonsense? Oh, and now we have these fires going on outside. The air is terrible. I wouldn't want to be outside even if I could. I couldn't imagine a restaurant eating outdoors today. Oh, it's really bad air, really, really bad. I am doing some extra sit-ups here and there, but that really tailed off after my birthday earlier in this period. As for the YouTube brand, we did a little bit better than last week. We didn't quite get to 20,000. In fact, we just got over 16. We've only hit our goal of 20,000 once this period. So again, we'll probably keep that number the same next period. Maybe have to lower it to 18 or something, but you know, I want to stretch, but I hate missing 12 out of 13 weeks. That feels like a failure to me. Podcast listens kept going. We tripped 12,000. I think that's the first time. No, we did it one other time. This is a peak though, 12,707. If you don't know, every video on this YouTube channel gets converted to a podcast by the same name, one rental at a time, and loaded every Saturday. I think it's every video over 5 minutes. So if you'd rather listen than watch, you could do that. It's on Apple and all these other platforms. We nailed the subscriber goal. It was coming down to the wire, but we got it 150 on the nose. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as of this recording, I think we're at 9,002 subscribers. So we're marching to 10,000. Hopefully we'll get there in the next, what do you think, 4 to 6 weeks, something like that. That would be really cool. And then Instagram subscribers. Again, I am on Instagram, one rental at a time. Check me out there. We did exceed the 40 number, so I may need to goose that again next period. As for business, because we are looking to both add more rentals and more flips, we evaluated more deals. These are junkers. The clean stuff is being overbid, as I've been talking about for a while. So where we used to go to clean stuff or cleaner, we have to kind of rotate to junkier stuff that doesn't qualify for FHA. I did a video earlier this week about bidding wars. Sometimes you have to move. But back to my earlier point, one rental at a time, my course teaches you how to learn your market. And you will learn how to pivot when something is or isn't working. So we looked at a couple of wholesale deals as well. We are still doing mailers and all those things. We are going to sit with the team either at the end of next week or the week after to kind of figure out what we want to do next period. Because again, I budget every 13 weeks. We didn't sell anything. We didn't buy anything this period. I do have one buyer who is looking to buy my last 3 pride of ownership rentals, 2 in the Tower District and 1 completely remodel in Madera. He indicated that he has some stock money, I think, coming up at the end of August. And he may buy all 3 at one time. So we'll see. I told him I would wait before advertising anyone else. But we'll see where it goes. And maybe he'll buy all 3 at one time. Didn't spend any money this period. Again, I don't count eating out. Like these are extras. I think this period, what was it? I bought some gym equipment and I forget what the other $100 was, something. Did do a special event. I don't stay up very late. If you've watched my channel, you know that I'm an early bird and I get up early. But we did stay up and we watched Lucifer on Netflix right when it came out at midnight. We watched a couple of episodes the other day. So we did finish that together. That was kind of cool. Cozy up on the couch with Olivia and have a good time. We did create 4 hours of original content every week for you. As for kind of videos, these, again, I said it earlier, I got a little bit too granular. I need to do a better job. Was on a couple of podcasts, so that's growing. If you have a podcast or you know of a podcast that you like, please make an introduction. I'd love to get on some more. We've only hit the 100 book mark once this period, so maybe that was a little bit too aggressive. We did get to 71 books this period. As for book reviews, again, as I said right out of the gate, thank you, thank you, thank you. We got 9 this period after only getting 1 last period, so thank you very much. Audiobook sales, we did, what is that? 40, 50, 53? So that's pretty good, actually. And we got 5 Amazon Audible reviews. So again, the reviews are so nice because you don't have to do them. But when you take the time to do them, it means a lot to me. I really think it helps in all the algorithms. The more reviews, the better. So thank you for that. We did do a lot of free courses this period, got 9, so more than 1 a day. But the paid course only had 2, which is really shocking to me. I don't market it a lot. I don't talk about it a lot, but it is the best thing I've created. It is truly helping people. I probably should market it more. I think it will change people's lives, especially in a market like this, where it's much better to learn than overpay and get caught in a bidding war. Then there's the t-shirts and hats and all of that. I have a question for you. So I got a subscriber asked me, hey, could I buy a hat and an autographed book for you? So I think the books are like $15 and the hats are like 22, I think, something like that, plus shipping, tax or whatever. I don't know how it all works. But what I told him I could do, because I have a few hats, I bought them as samples, I would sell a hat and an autographed book for $40, and I would ship it anywhere in the US via USPS. So I have a couple more hats. I got a few. And if you guys like this, I could buy more, I guess. But what would you think? Anybody interested in an autograph book and a hat for 40 bucks? I have no idea if that was just a one-off that somebody wanted or if it might be interesting to more of you. So let me know. If I get a lot of people interested, I'll buy more hats, but we'll see. So, and then as far as our charity donation, we will do that next period, getting us to our goal of $2,000. All right, everyone, that's my week. How was your week? I suggest having a health goal, reading. If you're looking to learn your market and you don't have any money, take the 75-day hard challenge. If you're ready to get to work and hold yourself accountable and you have the $200, but again, remember, you have to be willing to do the work, take the course, link below. You're not sure? Watch the playlist where students talk about how it's changed their business, because it really has. All right, everybody, take care of yourself. Good luck. Have a great week.